Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Saira Banu from Galib High School, Cantonment, Bellary. Today I am going to teach you a lesson on the first poem, Kindness to Animals. This is a very beautiful poem. Before beginning the poem, can you name some living creatures? Yes, you are right. Persons, animals, birds, insects are all living creatures. Do you love animals? Yes, we should love animals. Now read this poem on kindness to animals. Kindness to animals is written by the anonymous poet. Anonymous poet means the poet whose name is not familiar. The theme of this poem is kindness to all living creatures. This poem is addressed to the children. It is a humble request and guidance to all the children, especially those who are very mischievous. Let's start. In the first two verses, the poet requests you to never hurt or give any pain to the living creatures because they can also feel pain. In the next lines, let the gentle robin come for the crumbs you save at home. As his meat you throw along, he will repay you with a song. These lines tells that the poet says that if you allow the gentle robin bird to come and eat food particles left at home, they will be thankful to you and repay you by singing a melodious song. The key words of these verses are crumbs and gentle. This is the picture of a gentle robin singing a melodious song. In the further lines, never hurt the timid hare, peeping from her green grassy lair. Let her come and sport and play on the lawn at close of day. In these lines, poet says us not to hurt the timid hare. Timid means the animal which gets frightened easily, who peeps from the green grassy garden. Instead, the poet tells us to let him come and play and sports in the evening. The key words of these verses are timid, easily frightful, lair means garden, hare means rabbit. In the next lines, the poet tells us, the little lark goes soaring high to the bright windows of the sky, singing as if it were always spring and fluttering on an untied wing. In these lines, the poet tells that the little lark bird flying high in the sky, it flies and sings in all the seasons as if it were spring season. In the last two lines, the poet requests you to let the lark sing his happy song in all the seasons and never do any wrong to any of these creatures. These are some of the pictures of gentle creatures. And as the theme of the poem says, we should be kindful to the animals, so we should always love and care these animals. Thank you.